Football is one of the most popular sports in the world. It is a game played between two teams, and each team tries to score goals by kicking the ball into the other team's net. Football teaches teamwork, discipline, and quick thinking. I enjoy playing football with my friends because it keeps me active and healthy. It also helps me build strong legs and better coordination. In football, every player has a role, and we must work together to win. Watching football matches is also very exciting, especially when your favorite team is playing. Many people cheer for national and international teams and follow tournaments like the World Cup. Football brings people from different countries and cultures together. It also teaches us to respect rules and play fair. Winning feels great, but learning from losses is also part of the game. Playing football after school helps me relax and have fun. I dream of becoming a great footballer one day. Football is more than just a sport. It is a passion that brings joy and energy to life.